Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix iOS 26 beta or public beta unable to download. For example, if you try to download iOS 26 beta or a public beta and you see this kind of error on your iPhone, so how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So there are many reasons for that. So one of the reason is that you do not have enough memory to download and install the beta version or public beta on your iPhone iOS 26. So for this, what you have to do, you have to simply first of all close this page, and after closing the page, you have to make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings, and in settings you have to go to general, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. And here you have to click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. Now what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you have enough storage so that you can download and install the beta version or public beta of iOS 26 on your iPhone. So if you do not have enough memory, then you have to simply clear your memory by simply uninstalling the unused apps, or moreover you can also delete data from your iPhone storage so that you can make space for a new iOS 26 update. So after that you will be able to download and install. But if you have already cleared the space and enough space is available, and you still see the unable to download option, so then what you have to do, you have to simply take the screenshot of the problem, and after that you have to simply send it to the Apple support, and you have to ask the solution for that, why you are unable to download the iOS 26 on your iPhone. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply take the screenshot to the Apple discussion forum and ask the Apple community how they solve that problem. After that you will get many solution for that problem, and many iPhone user will tell you the why they have how they have solved that problem. So hope you have liked this video. When you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.